I want to wish to everybody, Sindhi peoples, that happy Sindhi Culture Day. And the one thing I want to say about Sindhi culture is their Sindhi culture is Sindhi topi and Sindhi topi and Sindhi ajrak. Okay, and I the one thing also is Sindhi people are so respectful. They always care for their guests. I'm also proud to be a Sindhi, and Sindhi people are so much their behavior is too much good with their guests. Like if someone is coming as a guest to their Sindhi peoples, they just give them as a topi and their ajrak, because the value of this is very much. I know the cost is not that much of them, but the value is, oh my god, very much. And I have heard the lyric that हम सिंध में रहने वाले सिंधी नहीं मेहमान वाले सारे. And this is really true. I'm just appreciating all of the Sindhis. This is true. Thank you so much.